Hi, Junior Preschool friends. Today we're going to read One Rainy Day by Valerie Gorbachev. Let's practice the parts of the book. What is this? The spine of the book. What is this? The front of the book. And this. The back of the book. How about the big letters? The title of the book and the small letters. The author of the book. Nice job, friends. So this book's called One Rainy Day. Looks like the piggy's running. That's the piggy. Okay. What happened to you, friend pig? I can see you're wet. Let me guess. You went to the meadow to get some flowers and you were caught in the rain. Is that right? Yes. Look, the little piggy is soaked. Let's see what's going to happen next. You must have forgotten to take an umbrella, but why didn't you hide under a tree? I did. So why did he get wet? How did he get wet if he was hiding under the tree already? Let's see. But then, why did you get wet, friend pig? Because to escape the rain, a small, very fast mouse ran right under the tree too. Alright, now so there's the piggy and also a mouse under the tree. Surely there was enough room for you and the small, very fast mouse. Yes, but then two porcupines joined us. So now there's two porcupines with the mouse and the pig. How many? 2 porcupines? Yes, and 3 buffaloes. 3 buffaloes? Let's count. 1, 2, and 3. Did I hear you right? 3 buffaloes? Yes, and 4 leopards came after them. 4 leopards. Let's count, friends. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Nice shot counting, friends. What did you say? 4 leopards? You heard me. And 5 lions came next under the same tree. I can't imagine 5 lions. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes, and after that, 6 gorillas ran under the tree to escape from the rain. Are you sure? 6 gorillas? That's a lot of animal on the tree right now, friends. Let's count if there's really 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 gorillas. Whoa. Will there be more animals next? Let's see. Yes, and 7 crocodiles followed them. Oh no, 7 crocodiles? Oh my goodness, friends, look. Let's count if there's really 7 crocodiles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Whew, that's a lot of crocodiles. Yes, and then 8 hippopotamus came to that same tree. I can't believe it. 8 hippopotamus? Oh my goodness. Friends, are hippopotamus big or small? They are big. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 hippopotamus. Yes, and then 9 rhinoceros came running. That is terrible. 9 rhinoceros? Are they big or small, friends? They are also big. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Let's see what's gonna be next. I know. Then 10 elephants also ran under the tree. Wow, 10 elephants? Friends, we know that elephants are big, big, big. Let's count how many. Is there really 10? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 elephants. Okay. Friend, pig, I get it. With all 10 elephants, 9 rhinoceros, 8 hippopotamus, 7 crocodiles, 6 gorillas, 5 lions, 4 leopards, 3 buffaloes, 2 porcupines, and 1 fast mouse, all under a tree, there was no room for you. Am I right? Let's see, friends. Look at this. Wow. You see, all of these animals were under the tree, the same tree. That's a lot. No, there was room for everyone. Then I don't get it. Why were you so wet? Why? What do you think, friends? Why do you think the pig was so wet if there was still room for him under the tree? Look, he was right there. He was right under the tree. Let's see. Because when the rain was over, what do you think? What do you think? What did he do after when the rain was over? Let's see, friends. I was in such a hurry to get home to tell you about what happened to me on this rainy day that I didn't miss a single puddle. Oh, silly piggy. He was jumping in the puddles. That's why he was soaked. He was all wet. And look, now it's time for him to do some laundry. He's going to dry his clothes. The end. During preschool, do you guys like jumping in puddles? What do you wear before you jump into the puddle? That's right. Make sure you wear your rain boots and your raincoats. Okay? Thank you, friends.